How to use Instagram's latest AI features. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Instagram's latest AI features that have been taking over your feeds. Whether you're into creating content or just exploring cool tools, this one is a must try. So let's just jump right in. First off, you're going to have to open up Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you need to head over to the messages section. Go to your home screen and click on the message icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on any chat you want. So I'll just go over to this chat here and I can just write in the message. So what you can do is, in order to access the AI from Instagram, you need to mention AI, Meta AI. You can do that by pressing the add button on your keyboard. And as you can see, you can get Meta AI as well as Imagine. So what I can do is go to Meta AI. You can use Meta AI in all of your chats, which can bring the group together and you're in your control. So I can just tap on OK and ask Meta AI certain things. So I can just do something like, what's the current time? And I just send this. And if the chat starts writing automatically, that means it's the Meta AI responding to you. So that's the first thing you can do. The other thing you can do is you can make your own AI character. For that, you need to go over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then you can do your profile by clicking over the three dots. You need to find something called AI Studio. If you can't find it there, you can go back to your same chat section and then you can find the option for Imagine. So let's just head over here, type in at, and then we can do Imagine. Then you can write something like a dog in space, something like this. Tap on send and it will generate the image for you. So let's just wait for a bit. And as you can see here, you've instantly gotten an image. You can download it by opening it and tapping on the top right corner. It will automatically download it on your gallery. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.